Hello everyone, hope you are. Today in this video, I'll try to share with you actually catalog ads. So let's see what is catalog ads and how can I do this. So at first you can see this is my ad manager and right now some ads is running. Okay, I'm just selecting the today and we need to that first catalog create and catalog to create to that ad set. Okay, so let's see, go there, just click there and then go to the commerce manager, just a minute, I'm just finding. So okay, by the way, I'm just go to build. You can go another way, you can see commerce manager. I'm just clicking the commerce. Okay, so we are come in the commerce manager, then hopefully you can see the many, right? So we will select this one, you can see the many catalog right now. So I'm just selecting this one, pastel beauty, because my product is pastel beauty. That's why I'm just select this one and hopefully you can see the product. So you can see I have a many product, right? So at first we'll create some item set. Okay, so already we have all products, so I'm just selecting some product. Okay, so I'm just choose at first this product. Okay, so when I click, I'm just select in the, okay. So we need to the create set, right? So I'm just click manually selected item. So I'll select, actually we can select the item name or ID. I'm just select this one. So when it has this product, hopefully you can see it's automatically scan, right? So right now we'll just select this brand. So I'm just select this one. This is on, okay, okay. So you can see some product is unavailable. So out of stock show, some product is available. This is why in stock show. That's great. So we are already great. So what type of product this? So I'm just creating the asset name. Salmon plow complex. Okay, and just select unique name and just click. So that's great. We are creating already. So right now we will see actually. So you can see we are already created. So let's see. Right now we will create in the new ads in the advanced catalog ads. Okay. So we just go there. So at first you can see the 3 steps. So when I click in the create, you can see hopefully the two types. Like one is the uh, advanced. Second one is the manual. So we will. So you can see some objectives. So I'm just selecting the directly helps. Okay. Okay. So I'm just select this one. I'm trying to show you actually live how can we run, right? So it's a catalog. So I'm just selecting this one. Unit name. Okay. So we are always select this one. So festival beauty. That's it. We already create this. So more catalog fix commercial otherwise. So I don't know. So you'll see no issue. So this one I want to show you the $10 per day. Highest volume, it will be better for this, I think. So if you want to have it, you can do this, no issue. So my goal is conversion, right? So I'm just selecting the conversion. You can see automatically getting the conversion event and catalog sales. Okay. So then when I go there, we will get in the multiple, no issue. And I want to show you the some step like first one is Facebook and Instagram only. I'm just click this one and check, because my main target is Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so when I click, I'm just selecting the new. So when I there, you can see here into the Instagram account, I'm just set up this, and then you can see say this type of. So I'm just select this one. I'm just checking. Okay, just a minute. If I use advanced, this way. No, yeah. If I use selection, and I click, you can see outside is our pixel. I selected. Then I selected the conversion event. So my main goal is parses. So I'm selecting the parses. Then I'm going to the ads section, Facebook. So you can see Facebook have a 3-step, like one is campaign, second one is asset, third one is ads. So I'm already selected everything because right now I will run the catalog ads and the catalog. Okay, catalog to run in the ads, so you can see the process, and I'm already created. You can see, okay, no issue. So actually, this landing page, when people click this landing page, our customer is land, it is working properly or not. We're just checking. So right now you can see it is working properly. That's great. So again, we are checking our primary tags. It is working properly or not. So okay, that's great. So we can just click in the published. So I'm just selecting the publish. So you can see right now it's publishing. Just a minute. Let's see. Hopefully it will be published successfully. So when I waiting for this moment, you can see multiple items published right now. That's great. So right now we are waiting for results. It will be at first in review, then it will be published and active our ads. So hopefully you can understand. Thank you so much. If you have any question or any hesitation or any help for Facebook ads, Google ads, and Facebook pixel conversion tracking and server side tracking, you can feel free reach out me. You can feel free contact with me. I'll help you my best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video.